We need to understand that whenever two parties come together, there has to be an agreement. And when there is an agreement, the agreement has to define as to what is expected for both the parties. So we know that as service providers, there is something expected for us in terms of what is the payment, what is the amount that we're going to get, what is the business that we're going to get. At the same time, the customer, who is the other party, also needs to understand what is it that we are going to deliver. I think what both of them said very rightly is the service level agreement has to define what is my service level. When we talk about SOPs and the implementation, I think the challenge in our industry is more because of the turnaround as well. Okay? We have people changing, we have the retraining to happen. So in this case, I think what was discussed over here are the subject matter experts or the SOPs which are digitized or easily decipherable for the newcomers to come in. That plays a very, very important role because somebody who is coming new, he's fresh in all probability. Now, how is he going to know how a mop is to be held? Or what is my dilution? Now, that is where the supervisor has to step in. And then, like Saji said, the briefing, it has to take care of that daily it is hammered over there that this is how the operation has to be done. And when we do that day in, day out, then, as they say, what we do regularly becomes a habit, and the habit repeated becomes a culture. And once it becomes a culture, I think we are in. Then whatever changes happen at the ground level, whatever rotations happen, whatever new team members come in, the earlier team members will definitely take care of that these guys have to be there. Now, for that, we can devise various systems. A supervisor definitely plays a key role. But even beyond that, if we have somebody who acts like a buddy, I guess everybody knows what a buddy system is. If somebody new comes in, there has to be somebody who will shadow that person, who will observe that person, who will keep guiding that person. He becomes a guide. And then that person keeps correcting and also guiding and helping as to how it is to be done. When we do that regularly, the SOP implementation goes down deeper. And then it reaches the grassroots level where people start doing it as a way of life. The size of this market in the country is probably 120,000 crores. Now, given this size of the market, when we look at ourselves, who are the largest players? Do we have any player who has, let's say, 10% of the market share, or 5% of the market share? We don't. Simply because the market is very fragmented. When we are in a market which is so very fragmented, there is no definition, in my opinion, of a small, micro, macro, large, nothing. Almost everybody is brought in at the same level when you look at it from the market share perspective. So that is one part to think about ourselves as to what we are. And that should give us that belief, that pride, that there is something that we are. Second part is, at Saji and Edward said, we are delivering value. Why are we there? Because we are the subject matter experts. We have the expertise and we also have the know-how to get it done and deliver the result. So that's the second part. And I think there is a third part to which, again, all three of us have touched upon, but I would probably dwell a bit deeper into that. We talked about our labor being called unskilled. Okay. Now let's look at the practical angle of that. When we buy the machine and give that to the labor, we are talking about, let's say, if we talk about a ride-on machine, it's a 10 or 12 lakhs. If we talk about a walk-behind machine, it's still a 3 to 4 lakhs. Now, when we give this kind of machine, would we like to give it to an unskilled person to operate? If we have a car and if we decide to hire a driver, would we hire a person who is unskilled, who doesn't know how to drive, and get that person on the job? We won't. So what we are doing and what we are delivering is basically a great value in terms of operating this kind of a machine and delivering a value to that.